Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix sound, video and game controller missing from the device manager. So directly let's go to device manager, and if you don't find here sound, video and game controller, all you have to just click on this action button, right click. If you don't find things, then just choose any of this, just any of this and write action, and now click scan for hardware changes. Okay, now check back if it's come to you or not. It's come here for me. If you don't have found still, then just doing again, left click and click on add legacy hardware. Now click on next. Now choose this one, install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Click on next. Now search that thing. Now search sound quality, this one, sound, video and game controller. Click on next. Now from here you have to click on Realtek. Choose Realtek and choose the device. Now click on next. Again it is sending file, hold on. You can see there it's done now. After that click on finish and restart your computer or restart things, then you will find this option. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.